Hello guys, so in today's video we're going to take one of the small glass and this container. We're going to put a little bit of hot glue and then we're going to attach it into place. We got both of these in Dollar Tree. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and spray paint it in gold. Then after that, grab some fluorofoam and attach it right in the middle, and then go ahead and grab your flower and place it inside until you fill out the whole thing out. Once you do that, this is how cute, guys, it turns out. Super cute and simple that you guys can do at home. This is more like a bigger version with a little glass at the bottom, but you can also leave it without it like this one, and I think it looks super cute as well. This one is like more a simpler look. Then for the next DIY, I'm gonna grab one of these little birthday boxes and I'm gonna spray paint them in gold. Then after I spray paint it in gold, I'm gonna take some fluorofoam and I'm going to put some hot glue all the way around it in the fluorofoam like that, and then I'm going to attach it right in the middle of the back. Just get it, hold it into it, attach into place. Then I'm gonna grab another fluorofoam of the round one and I'm gonna put some hot glue and attach it right in the middle like that. And then after that, we're gonna grab one of these little leaves and we're gonna place it around it of the box. Then I'm gonna also do some orange little flowers. I'm gonna put a stick in it and then attach it to the fluorofoam like that. And then I'm gonna grab the floral that we did before and place it right in the middle. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple and so easy. And I think this one will look great any color that you guys will do, and it will look great for any party decorations that you guys are doing. Now for the next DIY, I'm gonna grab one of this glass. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue around it and I'm going to place it right in the middle of the box like that. Then after I attach it, I'm gonna take some green and some flour and place it around the box like that. After that, you can also grab some flour and just place it around as well. Then I'm gonna put a candle holder inside and a candle, and this is how cute, you guys. It's like more simple look, just with a little green, and you could also do it with a pink flower. Like this one is up to you how you guys will like it, or we could do a little bit different. We're gonna grab some this like string lights and we're gonna place it right in the middle like that, and we're just gonna leave it a little bit out and we're gonna take the flower out and just place it right there so you could turn it on off and on. Then go ahead and grab one of these fluorofoam and attach it to the glass. I'm going to take a stick and place it right in the little branch and then just attach it to the fluorofoam and then just go around it like that. Then in here, to attach it into place, just put a little bit of hot glue and then attach it into place like that. Then after that, you're going to put a little bit of cute little flowers and attach it just to cover the greenery so it won't show. Just put flower around it until you do the whole thing. Then I'm going to take this balloon holder that comes with a stick. I'm just going to use the holder, just attach the balloon in there like that. And then I'm going to grab my hot glue, put a little bit, and then I'm going to place it right inside the fluorofoam like that. Then put flour around it so the fluorofoam won't show. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy that you guys can do for any party decorations. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like this DIY video.